Hello students, today I will tell you the process of installing the Python in your computer system. For that purpose, first you have to open your web browser. I have Google Chrome in my computer, so I have opened Google Chrome. Now in the search box of your web browser, what you have to type? You have to type www.python.org/download. Only this much you have to write. Rest all you delete. www.python.org/download you have to type in your search box. Then some suggestion will be given by the browser. So here you have to select download 3.7.4. Click on that. Then Google will suggest you some websites here. So I will click on the first website, which is download Python. When you click here, see this screen will be open. Here download the latest version of Windows. Download Python 3.9.1. Click on here. When you click, you can see at the bottom the installation process. Exe file of this Python is started downloading. So you have to wait till it download. Now you can see this exe file is downloaded here. When the process is completed, click on this. When you click on this page will be open. Because I have already installed Python in my computer, that is why it is saying me to upgrade to Python. Okay. But if you're not having already Python in your computer, then you have to in this from this dialog box you only have to click on the suggestion. Whatever it will be written here to download. Then click on the download. Then the process I have clicked here the upgrade process. It is upgrading. When you click on whatever written here, download or open, whatever you click on the suggestion given by the dialog box. So according to suggestion, it will automatically download the software in your computer. So like that, the process will be going on. See, when the processing will be completed, then it will automatically return here setup was successful. Upgraded my whatever I have already downloaded, it is upgraded successfully. Then the close button will automatically come and you have to click on the close. So similarly, because I have already Python in my computer, that's why it is upgraded this Python. But if you are new user, you click here, then whatever file will download here, click on the file and follow the instruction given by the dialog box. Then the Python will be downloaded in your computer. Then when you click on the start button of your computer and write Python, the Python will be displayed automatically. So you have to click and you have to start writing your program. Like I have taken a variable, a is 10, b variable is having value, I have assigned 21. In the variable c I will add a plus b. Then I want to display the value. For that I will print c, because c is having the addition of a and b. So the result is 31, 10 plus 21. So that is how you have to install the Python and how you have to use. So hope you understand. And now in your break, you download the Python in your computer and do the programming practically, so you will better understand it.